Number 5. Number 4.
Porter Cable is proud to announce the launch of the next generation cordless platform powered by its new 20-volt MAX system. The cornerstone of the new 20-volt MAX lineup will be the drill driver. The end user will instantly notice the compact size and weight of the tool with its 7 3/4 inch length, 3.5 pounds weight, and a contoured overmolded grip. When the trigger is pulled, the motor delivers up to 330 unit watts out, and the 2-speed transmission delivers up to 400 RPM in low speed and up to 1600 RPM in high speed, completing applications 30% faster than our previous PCL 180 CD model when using a 7/8 inch wood boring bit through training lumber. In addition to its increased speed, the Porter Cable drill driver provides all the right features for setting up and using the tool. These include a metal ratcheting chuck, a battery fuel gauge, LED work light, 2 magnetic bit tip holders, belt clip, and rubber bumpers on the side of the tool. The new 20-volt MAX system is powered by a compact lithium-ion battery platform delivering 1.5 amp hours. Time is money, and Porter Cable delivers the speed, ergonomics, ease of use, and value demanded on any job site. So if you think that your tools should work just as fast as you, be small and light enough to carry around, and deliver the features that help you complete your job, try the new Porter Cable 20-volt MAX drill driver. We are confident you will be back for the entire system.
Number 3.
This installation video will show you how to install the Berta soft closing face frame cabinet hinges. For accurate installation, you will need measuring tape, pencil, drill machine, 1/3 of an inch, 35 mm, and 5 mm boring bits. Before you start your project, make sure of the overlay of your cabinet doors. To measure the overlay of your cabinet hinges, close the door of the cabinet. Make a mark on the front of the cabinet at the edge of the door on the hinge side. Please use pencil to be able to remove the marks after you finish your project. Open the door of the cabinet. Measure the distance from the mark you made to the inside opening of the cabinet. That is your overlay. Use our picture chart to define available face frame cabinet hinges. To get the exact number of hinges per door weight, please use the picture chart provided. These instructions are valid for all types of face frame hinges. To drill the hole for the hinge cup, please use a 1 3/8 inch 35 mm boring bit. Make a mark at 3.5 inch 90 mm from the bottom of the door. Distance from the edge of the door to the middle of the drilling hole is 13/16 of an inch, 20.5 mm. The diameter of the drilling hole is 1 3/8 of an inch, 35 mm, and the drill depth must be 1/2 inch, 12.7 mm. Do not drill through the panel. Repeat these steps to drill the holes for the remaining hinges. Insert hinges into the drilled holes on the door. Use a straight edge to properly align the hinges. Fasten the hinges with the provided screws. Do not over-tighten. Position the door in the desired position. Then mark and drill pilot holes on the cabinet frame. Attach the hinges to the cabinet frame with the provided screws. Repeat these steps for the remaining hinges. Once the door is attached, it should be adjusted. Use adjustment screws on both hinges consequentially. Please use a screwdriver. For vertical adjustment or up and down adjustments, you should use screw A. Use screw B for depth adjustment or in and out adjustment. For horizontal adjustment or left and right adjustments, use screw C.
Number 2.
Welcome to Rockwell on Amazon.
Here's a saw that has speed as its middle name. The VersaCut by Rockwell lets you change blades one-handed.
I like the interchangeable blades the most. I like that I can take and cut any type of material and just change out the saw blade in a matter of seconds.
That means you can rip through different materials lickety-split. Its 4 amps are powerful, with a speed of 3,500 RPMs, but it doesn't weigh a lot, making it the one to reach for when you are on the move.
The VersaCut is much more lightweight than the circular saw. It weighs about 4 pounds. It's a lot easier to maneuver around the house.
The base plate provides a clear view of where the blade enters the work, making tricky cuts much easier to see. Changing the depth of a cut is right on the side. For around $130, the saw includes 3 blades, a vacuum adapter, and a storage bag. And precision.
I like the laser beam. I like the fact that if you draw a line and it's not very clear, you have the laser beam there to back you up, and it makes a nice smooth cut.
VersaCut's laser guide helps you get the right cut every time.
Number 1.